go.
Oh, the foot block! Woo! That's going on the highlight reel.
Foot is big. The hook, wide open. Oh, it's floaty though.
Oh my gosh! Goodness. That's going on the highlight reel right there. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Fletcher's on the other sideline now. He put something up to lip. Will he get it? Yes, he will. That's a break.
Phil's hammer. Phil's hammer. Phil's hammer. Phil's hammer.
How are they not in the end zone yet?
Oh!
Oh yeah!
Oh, is that? Scott. Fletcher.
2 in a row, baby!
Oh, Matt Green.
Matt Green, good awareness. Yep, calm down. Or not.
That's going straight. Gets it. Oh, the push pass to Creighton.
Excellent defense here. Yeah, nice CD. Launches it deep.
Oh my God, what a rip. The Fletcher's tall ass.
Nice.
And to Willie B to finish.
Woo! Yeah, dog.
At the sideline, let's look for Fletcher looking for the D.
Let's see if Creighton can get big. Oh, Creighton.
Taryn stays.
Oh, boy, Taryn.
Way up. Don't put that. Oh, Lip versus Johnny. Matchup with an age.
Oh, Lip!
Great to see it.
Oh, Fletcher.
Oof.
Come on, Fletcher. Get one of these.
Matt puts a beat. 2 trip.
Hammer to Taryn and
Nice to trip. Let's get it. Yeah.
got Van Cleve on the mark.
Ooh, Van Cleve with the block.
Nobody on that guy.
Ooh. Oh.
Van Cleve forces a nice throw. High stall. Matt to James.
Ooh, yeah, I gotta fart. See if I can hear this. Could you hear that?
Stall.
Ooh.
Back to Matt. To Adam to Lip. There's a hammer to Josh.
Great defense by Trip. Way to run through that disc.
Nice D.
Hit the turn. AJ throwing to Trip. Bingo, bango, bongo. There we go.
That.
Strike hold. Oh, what a deep! Ooh, another. Good defense. It's 8-6. 8-6. Come on, Taryn.
Get up, Taryn.
Oh! Oh! SWAT team.
Nope. That's good. Perfect.
Trip with the big. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, but Adam! Adam, boy, Adam!
Finds Lyle. Creighton, real floaty, real floaty.
Wow, Fletcher.
Eat the hat, Fletcher! Fletcher! Yeah! Defense by Lyle there.
Oh, nice hold straight.
Schmexy and beautiful throw. Big around by Jake.
Oh, Willie P. 2 on 1.
AJ's guy. But
Oh my goodness!
holy fucking shit.
Big up to Lyle. Let's go, boy. Attaboy.
Kicks it to Phil, who finds Tripp on the sideline. What a
Boosted.
Wow, this is wow, this is.
That was a really bad zoom.
They can't. Oh, it was this guy.